This is a newcomer English language assessment training video. It will cover 3 areas. Why is this English language assessment important? It will show you a little bit about this culturally adapted assessment tool that has been used by many murids in different countries. And it'll also talk about the 3 steps to administer the assessment. First of all, our goal is to determine the English language proficiency levels of our newcomer murids who are 16 years and over in age and have been in Canada since August of 2021. The purpose of this assessment for our English language proficiency data is to provide this data in a timely way to allow institutions to bucket individuals so that all boards and portfolios can serve their various needs. We have developed a culturally adapted English language assessment, and here's an example of what that means. If you look at the questions, they include names that are culturally relevant to the target audience that is taking this assessment, and research shows that this really helps in terms of their motivation to actually take the assessment and to do programming later. You can tell that the test also has Dari translation, again to make it more accessible for all language levels. Even those that don't speak any English at all can take this assessment. And this makes it quite unique compared to what is out there in terms of assessments. So here are the steps. This is the key step we ask you to take, and that is to use these 2 scripts. The one on the left explains why this assessment is important. The one on the right is the actual link and the assessment instructions in dual language for you to be able to send over WhatsApp. You can also use the script on the left to engage in a telephone conversation or in-person conversation with the murid about this assessment. The next step is that the Education Board will score the assessment and provide results in terms of the Canadian Language Benchmark level and CEFR level for each region. Step 3 is potentially follow up after 1 to 2 weeks. Again, there's a script prepared for that can be used either in terms of a phone call or WhatsApp message. Finally, the assessment data will help all our boards and portfolios really deliver data-driven programming for all age segments of this newcomer Jamaat. We have a tool prepared to assist you, which you will receive over WhatsApp. This tool is meant for your eyes, not the participants, but it does list some of the common questions you may be getting so that you know how to be able to answer these questions. So it's a tool for those that administer the assessment. And finally, we know from the research that the facts are that English language is ever so important. And these are 3 of the key facts that I think really show the importance of English language. And the start is truly the assessment. Without doing this assessment, we will not be able to really point our murids in the right direction when it comes to English language. So these 3 facts are super important, and hopefully they'll inspire you to take part in helping our murids in this very essential initial step of improving their English language proficiency and ultimately transforming their lives. Thank you.